Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to measure blood oxygen on your Apple Watch. First, ensure your Apple Watch is snugly fitted, but not uncomfortably tight, on your wrist. Position the watch on the top of your wrist, about 1 finger's width above your wrist bone. For the most accurate reading, ensure your wrist is clean and completely dry before you begin. This initial preparation helps establish a reliable connection for the sensor. Open the Blood Oxygen app on your Apple Watch. Once open, simply rest your arm on a flat surface, keeping your hand still with your palm facing upwards. Tap, start, and remain motionless for 15 seconds while the measurement takes place. It is important to avoid any movement, as this can easily interrupt the process and affect the results. A successful reading will then be displayed. After a successful measurement, your blood oxygen level will appear as a percentage on your watch. Healthy individuals typically show results between 95% and 100%. A reading below 95% might indicate a lower oxygen saturation. Understanding these numbers can offer insights into your general wellness, but always remember it is not a medical device. Consult a healthcare professional with any concerns. For consistently accurate readings, always ensure the watch is properly positioned and secured. Taking measurements at rest, perhaps while seated calmly, generally yields better results. Avoid tattoos near the sensor area, as they can interfere with light absorption and affect accuracy. Regular monitoring can provide a general trend, but it should never replace professional medical advice. Your health remains the most important aspect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.